Good evening. I am Jane Nirmala. I am working as an assistant professor in Vavu Vajika Women's College of Arts and Science, Koilpattinam. In this PowerPoint, we are going to discuss into the topic magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are substances which change so that they themselves become source of an additional magnetic field. Magnetic materials are classified into two types. One is soft and the other is hard materials. Soft magnetic materials or materials which can be easily magnetized and demagnetized. And hard magnetic materials or materials which retain magnetism on a permanent basis. Next is terms and definitions. First definition is magnetic field. The magnetic field in which a material is placed is called magnetizing field. Magnetic field is produced by permanent magnets. Unit of magnetic field is amperes per meter. Next is magnetization. Magnetization is nothing but magnetic moment per unit volume inside solid. Unit of magnetization is amperes per meter. Third one is magnetic susceptibility. It is defined as magnetization produced in the material per unit applied magnetic field. Materials having high susceptibility are easily magnetized. And fourth one is magnetic induction. It is defined as the ratio of magnetic flux per unit area and its unit is Weber per square meter. Thank you.